What's up guys? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this 3D Android logo. In this part of the tutorial we'll create the body and the head of the Android logo. So first click on File, New and reload startup file. We'll need one cylinder, so right click on this cube to select it and click X or delete and confirm. Now click on Add Mesh Cylinder. We'll also use one reference image. So go to Google and search Android logo and go to images and download any image. So I have this image downloaded and click N and click on background images and click add image, open and find the image that you just downloaded. Mine is on the desktop and open that image. Now click on view. First make sure that your access is set to all views and click on view and this ortho. You can also click numpad 5 button. Make sure you are in the ortho mode and now click on front view. Now you'll see this image. Now we'll scale this image down a little bit. Go to wireframe mode and now scale it down so that the width of the image matches with the width of the cylinder. Now scale it down on Z axis. So click S, Z and scale it down. Now it matches the shape of our image. Now go to edit mode and click A to deselect everything. A is used to select everything and deselect everything. Now make sure your cursor is inside this cylinder area and click Ctrl R. Now we'll see this pink line. Left click once and bring it down here where the curve is starting and click again. Now make sure your cursor is in this rectangular area and click Ctrl R again. You'll get one pink line. Double click. You can drag the image like this by holding Shift button and clicking the middle button of the mouse. Now we'll scale it inside. So click S and scale it inside like this. Now click A and click B. Select these bottom vertices and again click S and scale it down like this. Now click A again. Now go to bottom view. Actually, don't. Just move it like this so that you see the bottom portion. Now make sure you are in the edge select mode and click Alt and right click so that your this face is selected. Now click E to extrude and don't move your mouse and click enter so that it gets separated. Now click S and 0, enter. Now select these vertices select all these vertices And now here click on subdivide and make sure the number of cuts are 2 and click enter. Now again go to click solid. Now we'll do the same thing here, but we want subdivided. So click, bring your mouse here, make sure in the edge select mode, click Alt and right click so that your this whole circumference is selected, and now click E and enter so that it gets separated. Now click S and 0 and enter like this. Now click Ctrl R and click left click and bring your mouse very close, bring this line very close to the upper line. Do the same here. First click A to deselect everything, bring your mouse here, click Ctrl R, left click and bring it very close to the circumference and click. Now go to object mode and click smooth, and to smooth it out more, first click N to get rid of the properties and click on this wrench like tab, click add modifier and click on subdivision surface and make sure your views value is 2 and render value is also 2. Click apply. Now go to front view. Now it looks like the body of our Android logo. Now we'll create the head. So for that we'll need a sphere. So click add mesh and UV sphere. Drag it so that it matches. First we'll select this body by right clicking it and we'll hide it. Cylinder will get highlighted here and click on this eye. Now click on wireframe mode and edit mode. Select this and click on edit mode. Click A to deselect everything. We'll need one line here. So make sure your mouse is here. Click Ctrl R and enter. Bring it here and click once again. Now click A to deselect everything. Click B and select these vertices. Click X or delete and click on vertices. If you click on solid, it will be hollow. So we need one face here. For that, we'll bring your cursor here, click Alt and right click so that this whole edge is selected. Now click E, enter and click S and 0, enter. So now we have this face here. Now again, bring your cursor here, click Ctrl R, click left click, bring it very close to the circumference and click again. Do the same here. Do the same here. Bring your mouse here, click Ctrl R, make sure you have a horizontal line, click and bring it very close and click again. To get our shape to match with this curve, we need to go to wireframe mode first, because these vertices won't get selected, so we need to be in the wireframe mode. So front view, click A to deselect everything, click B and select these. Now as you can see, everything is selected. So go to front view and scale it outwards a little bit. Now click A to deselect everything. Click B again to select these vertices. Click S to scale and scale it outwards to match with the image. Now again repeat this for these 3 rows. Select these, scale them. Again select these and scale them. Now select these and scale them. Now if you go to object mode and solid mode and click on smooth, again we'll add one modifier here, subdivision surface, and view and render value should be 2. Click on apply, go to front view, and now you can click on this eye. You can see the cylinder and also the sphere. Now our body and head is ready. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create the hands and legs and antennas. And in the third part, we'll create the eyes and we'll render this image. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye.